Okay, let's turn to the one of our top political stories of the day. The Chacha Bhatija of the Pawar family of Maharashtra, 2 years after getting divided, have decided to unite for the upcoming Pimpri-Chinchwad and Pune Municipal Corporation elections. The coming together will only add to the political heat in Maharashtra, where the local body elections are seeing alliances and rivalries shifting rapidly. So will the Pawar Parivar now come together once and for all, or is this just a temporary alliance of convenience? Take a look.
After more than 2 years of political divide, the Pawar family is coming together again. Sharad Pawar and Ajit Pawar have decided to join hands for the Pimpri-Chinchwad Municipal Corporation elections. Maharashtra Deputy Chief Minister Ajit Pawar on Sunday proudly announced that the clock and the Tutari have reunited.
पिंपरी-चिंचवडमध्ये उमेदवारी लढवत असताना त्यामध्ये राष्ट्रवादी काँग्रेस पक्ष म्हणजे घड्याळ आणि तुतारी हे एकत्रपणे निवडणुकीला सामोरं जातात. त्याच्यामुळे हा परिवार पुन्हा एकत्र येण्याचं काम होत आहे.
Sources say that the breakthrough came around the time industrialist Gautam Adani visited Baramati, which coincided with the flurry of behind-the-scenes meetings. When Adani was in Baramati for the inauguration of an AI institute, both Pawars held crucial discussions, and by Sunday evening, both factions agreed on fighting Pimpri-Chinchwad local body polls together. Sources add that the same formula may be extended to the Pune Municipal Corporation elections. But the road to unity hasn't been without its bumps. A key issue that has raised eyebrows is Ajit Pawar's insistence that Sharad Pawar's candidates contest the PMC elections under the clock symbol. This is a major point of contention, as many in Pune fear it could dilute the identity of Sharad Pawar's faction. Rohit Pawar, an MLA from the NCP Sharad Pawar faction, has confirmed that an official announcement is expected by Tuesday.
त्यामुळे पुणे आणि पिंपरी चिंचवडमध्ये राष्ट्रवादी शरदचंद्र पवार पक्ष कार्यकर्त्यांचं समजून घेऊन ऐकून घेऊन त्यांच्यासाठी आम्ही दोन्ही पक्ष हे दोन्ही महानगरपालिका एकत्रित लढणार.
This reunion marks a remarkable reversal from 2023 when Ajit Pawar broke away from his uncle's NCP and joined forces with the BJP and Shinde's Shiv Sena. Sena UBT, on the other hand, has raised sharp questions over the political and ideological implications of the move.
ये पिंपरी चिंचवड का तक सीमित मुद्दा है. पुणे में उनका अलायंस नहीं हो रहा मेरे हिसाब से. पिंपरी चिंचवड में हो रहा है. जिस शरद पवार जी के साथ बीजेपी लड़ रही है, उनके साथ आप अलायंस कर रहे हो, तो उनको जवाब देना पड़ेगा अमित शाह को.
The coming together of Pawars only adds to the political heat in the state, where alliances and rivalries are shifting rapidly. Will the Pawar Parivar stay united, or is it just a temporary alliance? With Omkar Wabde, Bureau Report, India Today.